Where do you think this water is going to go when I pull the divider? Let's make a prediction. Welcome back to another MarineQuest Minute with me, Mr. M. Let's jump in with a mini investigation. The Cape Fear is the only river in North Carolina that flows directly into the Atlantic Ocean. We learned in a previous MarineQuest Minute that freshwater and ocean water differ in their amount of salt content or salinity. So what happens when low salinity freshwater meets high salinity seawater? Let's find out. Here I have a tank filled with fresh water. I have a divider, so I can separate this into two different water types. I'm going to make this side salty, so this would be like the ocean water. I'm going to mix it up, but we want to be able to track where this salty water is going to go. I'm also going to make this blue by adding a few drops of blue food coloring. So now that we can see this blue salty water, where do you think it's going to go when I pull the divider? Is it going to mix with the fresh water? Make your prediction. 3, 2, 1, go. That is so cool. The blue salty water did not mix with the fresh water. In fact, it has salt in it, so it's more dense and it's heavier and it sank to the bottom, and the less dense fresh water went to the top. We have created a salt wedge, and this is similar to what happens at the mouth of the Cape Fear River. Do you think we can make another layer? Only one way to find out. So I'm gonna take my divider and I'm gonna put it on this side. And now I'm going to mix this fresh water at the top with the salty water at the bottom, and I'm gonna make brackish water with water salinity in between the fresh and salt water. Now we wanna be able to track this water, so I'm going to make it a little bit red by adding a couple drops of red food coloring. And I'm gonna mix it up. Where do you think this water is gonna go when I pull the divider? Let's make a prediction. 3, 2, 1, go. So this third layer has a salinity that's more than fresh water, but less than full-strength seawater, and its density is in the middle, so it forms a layer in the middle. In fact, I can repeat this process over and over again and form an infinite amount of layers. And because of the differences in density, if we left this tank undisturbed, these layers would never mix. We'll see you at our next MarineQuest Minute, and as always, be excellent and science on.